Hi mi gente, how you guys doing? I just wanting to do some swatches before I start doing my set. You know that I bought Enailcouture and I did a unboxing. Maybe it was like what, last week. So I just want to do some swatches right now. We'll do pink, Princess Pink, and I'm also using one of his monomer, the Pink Magic. Oh wow, that's cute. Now we're doing Eternal Beige. The monomer really don't smell at all, which is awesome because I only do my own nails and my mom's nails in my house, and these are like feel all over the top. This was Eternal Beige. I might use one of them today. I'm still debating between really colorful set or just using this really nude. Oh, that was my mistake. Let the brush sit in there without doing anything when I was opening the containers. This is the glass pink. As you guys know, I'm new doing everything, so I'm still learning how to manage the brush and the monomer. And this is a new tapping dish that I bought today. I don't think I'm gonna do any unboxing about that because it was just my regular nail supply store that I went to. This one is chrome white, and they are filled all to the top, which is awesome. It's really beautiful. Oh my god, I love how the glass pink looks. And then the Princess Pink and the Eternal Beige are really similar tones. I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up, how it looks. Just closing everything at the same time that I'm doing this. This one is Grand Champion. Let me try them. I'm not sure if you guys can see. No, right? Grand Champion. This one. Move this here so I can hold my this monomer doesn't smell at all. This one is the Grand Champion. This guy is white too. So I don't quite see the difference between the chrome white and the Grand Champion. This Grand Champion, glass pink, and believe this one is Princess Pink, and then Eternal Beige and Chrome White. And the last one that I bought is a Wrap Princess, kind of like a golden or a gold. Oh, has a lot of, oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh wow, it sparkles so much.